Here we will tell you how and what the rich people do differently from the common people which actually make them rich. So let's just start now directly. 1. The wealthy monitor their bank accounts. What does the information on your bank statement reveal about your financial habits? Being affluent is challenging if your budget is constantly emptying. Since most of us struggle with numbers, we shouldn't disregard our bank statements. Detailed information regarding our spending patterns may be found in our bank statements. Our everyday spending are trackable. Also make essential cost reductions. We go in debt and make bad investing decisions when we ignore our bank statements. What steps can we take to avoid such scenario? Start by going over the fundamentals. Our salary. What is your annual income? What are the monthly costs for you? Analyze if your financial situation is improving or worse over time. You can only begin to make smart decisions that will enable you to build your money if you have a comprehensive understanding of your financial situation. Hire a financial advisor that will push you to reach your goals if at all possible. 2. The rich maintain low standards of living. The majority of us still find it challenging to control our spending, even with a good budget plan. What should we do now? Take part in the budgeting game. Set a goal for yourself to reduce your monthly or weekly expenditure overall. Check out what you can make with the ingredients you already have in the kitchen before making your next supermarket run. The key is to discover a system that functions well for you. Make tough yet achievable goals. Additionally, don't be afraid to think broadly and to stretch yourself beyond your comfort zone. We have a bonus tip for you. If you want more videos related to personal finance, then do subscribe our channel. 3. The wealth people stay away from lifestyle inflation. Typically, people spend more money than they make. To make matters easy, spend less than you take home. The less money you spend each month, the faster your wealth will increase. The logical thing to do is to increase your expenditure if you get a 10% rise. When you're on a tight budget, raising your quality of life. Instead, use that additional 10% toward your debt repayment or find a method to invest it. 4. The rich automate. Financially successful people make all of their payments on time and avoid using high-interest credit cards. The fact is that neither they nor you should enjoy spending cash. Before spending any of your money, pay your bills. It will get more expensive to ignore those monthly debit orders, making it challenging to pay them off in full. Put those payments on auto. Don't risk losing your money unnecessarily by making late payments or paying account interest. Well, all these are okay, but the number 9 difference is my favorite. However, let's move on with our current difference. 5. The rich prioritize their debt. Order the interest rates on your loan from highest to lowest. Keep in mind that interest rates increase as your debt increases. Pay off the loan with the lowest interest rate first. It is intended that you gain momentum by beginning with your lower interest rate accounts. Move on to the next significant account once that one has been handled. Use a tiny bit more than you did at the beginning. And deal with the debt. You'll pay more in interest over time if you hold debt for a longer period of time and for more money. So pay off that debt as soon as you can. 6. The rich always work on increasing their income. A second source of income is something that wealthy individuals are always searching for. It's excellent if you can reduce your spending by a few $100s. Even better, though, would be to make an extra $1,000. Begin with your pay. Schedule a meeting and present your case if you believe you provide value to the firm you work for. Don't give up on that increase. Develop ideas for projects that will increase your income. You may get supplemental income from even a pastime. Not to mention that every little bit counts. There's a chance that your initial earnings may be modest. However, the key objective is that you are improving your ability to make money. Your ability to offer value and raise your rate for that talent grow as you get stronger. 7. The wealthy make investments. Wealthy individuals don't spend all of their money, instead, they invest it. People believe they require a large sum of money to begin. In actuality, you don't. Even now, you may begin storing your spare coins. Even applications are available that might assist you in investing. Regardless of your financial situation, make it a practice to invest little sums of money whenever you can. And begin your investments as soon as you can. Profit from the compound interest, which implies that even if you just leave it, your investment will continue to grow. Get rid of those minor, pointless purchases. And utilize that money wisely. 8. Rich people spend their money wisely. Poor individuals buy liabilities, whereas the wealthy acquire assets. As an illustration, let's use an automobile. An automobile is a depreciating asset, something the wealthy are aware of. That over time it becomes less valuable. Instead of purchasing a brand new automobile that will cost them twice as much each month, they would prefer to purchase a used vehicle that is 3 to 4 years old. The responsibility of an automobile. The wealthy are aware of the risk involved with investing in liabilities. The majority of us need a car. Rich people make sensible purchases, which is what sets them apart from the impoverished. The functioning of a used automobile will be on par with that of a new car if it has had regular maintenance, is economical with petrol, and is inexpensive to insure. The wealthy are aware that having additional funds each month will be more advantageous for them. Instead of splurging on a brand new vehicle that depreciates the moment it leaves the showroom. 9. The rich go for free solutions. Normal people like you would generally rush to a financial advisor for any small financial problem. But the rich go for free solutions. They scroll YouTube, for instance. Yes, I told previously that they prefer hiring financial experts, but that's for big financial issues. For small financial problem like budgeting problem or getting more richer quickly, they prefer using YouTube. They specially recommend and watch our channel Strategic Finance. They find our channel helpful and knowledgeable as we upload regular contents related to finance. So you can also do the same. Just you will have to subscribe our channel and you can start getting knowledgeable thereafter.